During broad video studies, the focus is on the emotional needs of the audience. We can use eye tracking to objectively test the proposed match and satisfaction model. Eye tracking documents watching behaviors in real time and allows the determination of where an audience is paying attention while watching rational and emotional and broad versus non-broad content. Demonstrating the procedure will be Yao Shiwei, Liu Cong, and Chen Ruixue, master students from my laboratory.
Before beginning an experiment, use the third edition of the UCLA Scale of Loneliness to allow categorization of the participants into lonely and normal groups according to their score. Select emotional and rational appeal 1-minute standalone video advertisements that do not require contextual information to comprehend. To ensure that the emotional and rational appeals are manipulated successfully, have non-participants view and rate a pool of pre-selected ads based on these appeals. To maximize manipulation, select videos with the highest scores in either category as the experimental stimuli. Use video editing software to convert the barrage into subtitles so that comments can be manually added to the video barrage area. The ready-made video can then be called in the data collection process. To randomize the presentational effects, produce 4 presentation orders for the experiment.